Welcome back. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for the nation's sharpest opinion. There is a strange new woke style statement, the freshest fad in the high-key circles of the American Toolkit fan club in India. So much so that the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign has affronted them. They blocked the Tiranga Yatra. They are saying that the celebration of the tricolor is an attempt to appropriate the Indian flag to a particular political party. It's piquing senselessness to hear that the Indian flag is becoming a flashpoint for this woke brigade. Ladies and gentlemen, to politicize the Tiranga, to be fearful of what joining a Tiranga celebration of this scale may result in, is as good as giving in to a constituency who wants a Har Ghar Tiranga boycott, that wants a blackout of the celebration of the Indian flag. And those politicians must introspect as to who is this constituency they are so desperately obliged to. Ladies and gentlemen, those politicians who pontificate on India's nationhood, who see India as a negotiation, not a nation, who deploy foot soldiers to cheerlead for Amritpal and Afzal Guru's constitutional rights, who dissect the caste of our martyrs, who only talk about caste census, caste census, caste census, caste census, morning, day and night, and who ask for certificates of proof from our armed forces for our befitting response to the enemy. These people, the Tukde gang, the Sabut gang, ladies and gentlemen, they have no idea of what it took to earn India freedom. They have no idea. They have no idea what it takes to keep India's freedom as an unalterable grail of sacredness. They may parade as though they were the architects of independence. They may script the school books to deny the fact that some of these political parties, like the Congress party, was a British creation, to try to give this impression that they were the only ones who ought to inscribe it in their political legacy. But the thing about the nation is that it never forgets who traded Kashmir's absolute democratic independence for decades. The nation never forgets, and I would request youngsters to read about which political party allowed two flags were allowed to be legitimized in Kashmir. The nation never forgets, and youngsters should read about it, who sang to Chinese tunes at the United Nations. The nation never forgets. The youngsters should read about it, find out about it, ask questions about it. Which political party has signed a mystery agreement with Xi Jinping in ink in Beijing? The nation does not forget. And that is why tonight, ladies and gentlemen, as the American deep state continues to proliferate in deep sync of the narratives being spread, it is my appeal to you that let us come together and put that Tiranga up on every home, every vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, let us defeat this America playbook. It is the most befitting answer to extinguish every trace and plot that they have against India with our tsunami of nationalism. Let's do it for Bharat.
As the nation gears up for the 78th Independence Day, the Har Ghar Tiranga fervor has once again gripped the nation. At a time when foreign forces have used their mirth to destabilize our region, a fresh wave of nationalism has enveloped India. From Ahmedabad in the west to Chhattisgarh in the east, to Jammu and Kashmir in the north, Har Ghar Tiranga has become a mass public movement that once again has united the nation.
સમગ્ર ગુજરાત તિરંગામય થાય અને આ તિરંગામય ગુજરાતના માધ્યમથી ગુજરાતના દરેક નાગરિકની અંદર દેશભક્તિની જાગૃતિનું વાતાવરણ બને એના માટે આ તિરંગા યાત્રા અને હર ઘર તિરંગા એ કાર્યક્રમનું શરૂઆત થઈ છે.
But even at a time when the nation is gearing up to rejoice its 78th year of independence with Har Ghar Tiranga, the opposition has chosen to politicize the occasion with its agenda. The BJP too has hit back at the opposition for not participating in the Har Ghar Tiranga rally.
ये भारतीयता का कार्यक्रम है। ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर ने ये कार्यक्रम करा था। आज इसमें निमंत्रण विपक्ष के सभी नेताओं को दिया गया था, लेकिन बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है कि हर वर्ष की तरह इस बार भी वे नहीं आए। वो तिरंगे पर भी राजनीति करने से चूक नहीं रहे। ये बहुत शर्मसार है।
From questioning India's institutions on the prompts of foreign powers,
Why has Chairperson Madhavi Butch not resigned? Second, God forbid something were to go wrong and investors were to lose their money. Who is responsible? Is the Prime Minister of India responsible? Is Madhavi Butch responsible? Or is Mr. Adani responsible?
Your own party has
to threatening a violent uprising on the streets of India based on Bangladesh model.
What's happening in Bangladesh can happen here. It's just that Bangladesh is a concentration of much that we have in our country, and the spread in our country prevents things blowing up in the manner in which they've blown up in Bangladesh. But whatever is happening in Bangladesh is terrible.
In the last 1 week, India has witnessed a vicious attack on its democratic structure.
Our country is under attack, have no doubt about it. Our economy is under attack. Our entrepreneurship is under attack. Our society is under attack, unfortunately. And this is the point tonight. Some of our political parties, not all, have decided to join hands with the enemy. To these political parties who are joining hands or about to join hands with the enemy, I have clear advice. History must not remember you as those who sided with a foreign enemy to try and desperately grab a tiny slice of power.
The message from every street corner, from every city, every household is clear. In India, there will be Har Ghar Tiranga. The question remains, why politicize our Tiranga?
Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate with Sushil Pandit. And on the other side tonight, Waris Pathan, Abbas Haider, Waris Pathan of the All India MIM, Abbas Haider of the Samajwadi Party. Pulla Rao backs the DMK and Amerikai Narayanan usually backs the Congress Party point of view. Amerikai Narayanan, how is it that the Congress Party is not openly supporting the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign while it is very happy to sign an agreement with the Chinese Communist Party?
Are you talking to me? Can I come in?
Isn't that your name? I referred to you.
The point is that we don't have to wear our patriotism on our sleeves.
Achha.
Those people who never, celebrated Independence Day naturally have to. We are the patriots, and we are the people who got us the independence. And we don't have to show off like the newcomers, new kid on the block, who wants to prove that he is more patriotic.
What do you mean new kid on the block? The DMK, Pulla Rao, did not allow Annamalai's Tiranga Yatra.
Now,
the DMK did not allow Annamalai's Tiranga Yatra. What is their problem with the flag? What is their problem with the flag?
In Tamil Nadu, Congress is...
No, why was the Tiranga Yatra blocked?
With the national flag. The tricolor flag, I don't quite understand Tiranga Yatra, but Congress is going with tricolor flag throughout Tamil Nadu during this Independence Day. Now,
why was Annamalai's Tiranga Yatra blocked? Why was the Tiranga Yatra of Annamalai blocked?
Only one thing I want.
Why was the Tiranga Yatra of Annamalai blocked?
Both DK and RSS did not.
No, Pulla Rao, I'm asking you.
Yeah, I tell you, there are certain rules for everyone. You
Rules.
just can't say I'll take a flag and start my yatra on this route, that route. There are rules.
Rules.
They have to
So
follow
which
these
rule
rules.
does not allow Tiranga Yatra?
Which rule,
Which rule does not allow Tiranga Yatra?
No, he has to take police permission.
What
There is a
you
rule
have
for that.
Oh, so why didn't you give police? How is
He can't
okay? So
say.
Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi question is: they are saying rules, sir. According to our rules, we cannot allow Tiranga Yatra on the streets of Chennai.
No, according to the rules, you can't allow an individual to choose his route. You can't allow him to do what his timing is. There are rules.
What is
By the
there?
police,
Let
there are
everybody
rules
carry.
by the
How is carrying the yatra going to be a threat? Okay, Sudhanshu
What time?
Trivedi.
What
Sudhanshu
time?
Trivedi.
What traffic?
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Traffic.
Traffic
I would
will
like
be
to
affected.
respond.
Okay.
No, not the
Very,
traffic.
very
Listen,
appropriate
listen.
example
There
of
are rules for
yatra has been
procession.
initiated. I would like to remind when Rahul Gandhi was undertaking their so-called Bharat Jodo Yatra in Tamil Nadu itself, he accompanied by one Mr. George Punia, who has openly said that he considered the land of India so disregarded that he wears shoes that his feet should not touch this land. And he was giving sermon to Rahul Gandhi कि शिव शक्ति कुछ नहीं होता है, it is only his religion which is the absolute. So yatra is very appropriate. Yes, everybody is having right to select the route and everybody is having right to select the companion. This shows the clear fact. And to our opponent who was saying that their
One small
contribution
thing,
to the
Mr. Trivedi,
freedom
one
of
small
India, I
thing.
would like to
Right
remind
in the beginning
that
of the
Congress was
introduction.
established by a British secretary, Ellen Octavian Hume, in 1885. Their first chairperson, Mr. Vyomesh Chand Banerjee, finally left and remained in England, and he got converted and he was buried in England. And for the several 15-20 years, the name of the Congress presidents were Alfred Roe, George Ure, William Wadenburn. Even in 1910, when Savarkar was given 2 years imprisonment, the chairman of the Congress party, Adhyaksh Congress ka, who was president of the Congress party, was the secretary of government of British. That was William Wadenburn, and you were fighting the cause of freedom. And finally, I would like to say that when Jawaharlal Nehru became Prime Minister or leading the government, not on 15th of August 1947, it was 2nd of September
Question should be different.
1946.
Allow me,
And
allow
both
me.
was administered by women.
Ladies and gentlemen, I
the Queen of England. And
I
even on 15th of August, it was by
put the right question on, please, on the grid, not this one.
Please do not try to
I ask you, viewers, are you going to be part? Are you going to be part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign and
to the Britishers for the sake of power?
no? Question is just 1 minute. I'd like to go to Waris. Waris and Abbas. Waris, are you going to be part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign? Are you going to be part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign?
Well, Arnab, allow me. Arnab, मेरी आन तिरंगा है, मेरी शान तिरंगा है. The love for Tiranga is engraved in our hearts and souls. But we don't want a certificate of nationalism or patriotism from the BJP. What they are doing is we don't wear patriotism on our sleeves, Arnab, let me tell you. And just now Sudhanshu Trivedi was talking about the independence. May I ask him, what was the RSS doing during the independence time? They were bootlicking the Britishers. They insulted our tricolor for 52 years. They never hoisted our tricolor on the Nagpur headquarters for 52 years. And all of a sudden the love for Tiranga is engraved in them. Modi is trying to politicize the situation for his own peculiar gains. He does not love. They don't have any love for the country or for the nation or for the tricolor. Arnab, ask Sudhanshu Trivedi, what was the RSS doing during the independence? We sacrificed our life for the independence of the great nation. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you are nowhere to be seen. And now Tiranga has also got a green color in it, which you hate, Sudhanshu ji. You hate the green color in the Tiranga, I know that very well. Because for you, Tiranga was Upshugan. For you, the saffron color was the Shagun thing. And you always obeyed that for 52 years. Why you never respected the Tiranga for 52 years, Sudhanshu Trivedi? Can you explain to the nation now? Huh? And now you want to take out Tiranga. Arey, we hoist the Tiranga we salute, we do Jana Gana Mana, national anthem, everything. But the BJP, they just want to polarize the situation because 4th June, what happened, everybody knows. The entire country has given the mandate against Modi. Now he wants to take out the anger to see to it that some votes
they've given you a mandate, is
because
it?
he's not too stretchy.
How many?
Now.
You got one
if
seat?
one of them goes,
Did you get one seat?
Fall straight away.
You got
Let
one
me
seat
tell
and you won the election.
No,
they got 293 and they lost the election.
Why?
अच्छी logic है, अच्छी logic. Console कीजिए, console yourself.
Why?
How many seats did you get?
You understand my logic.
I don't understand your logic at all. But Sudhanshu is responding to you. Ladies and gentlemen, as I bring you this debate tonight, I am happy to tell you. I am happy to tell you that in fact there are some places where national flags are in short supply because of a sudden jump in demand. There is so much enthusiasm everywhere today that in some parts of the country, people are not getting national flags, so they are finding any which way to celebrate, ladies and gentlemen. But there is a lobby which is against Har Ghar Tiranga. This is the Har Ghar Tiranga debate. Viewers, I want to remind you, Vinesh Phogat judgment is coming after 9:30. Sudhanshu is responding. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu.
Arnav, Waris Pathan was very vociferously saying that Meri Jaan Tiranga hai, Meri Aan Tiranga hai, and these type of element, the fundamentalist element, I challenged before 2014, can they show a single video of them saying Meri Jaan Tiranga hai? ये जो शाहीन बाग हुआ था, इसमें ही दिखे थे तिरंगे वाले 2014 से पहले कोई दिखा दीजिए मूवमेंट जिसमें तिरंगा
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी louder please
जनगणमन गाया हो ये मोदी है तो मुमकिन है now come to the other aspect you have told about what RSS has in the freedom movement sir I have listened you peacefully kindly quietly please let me complete my submission then whatever you want to say you want to destroy my argument you can destroy now on the issue of RSS I would like to say Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar was one of the prominent satyagrahi in 1920. He went to jail in freedom movement and remained jail for 1 year. और वारिस पठान साहब you are from Maharashtra. अगर जाके चेक करिएगा 2009 Maharashtra government has published the list of freedom fighters for Vidarbha. उसमें Dr. Hedgewar का भी नाम है. But why Dr. Hedgewar departed? Because in Nagpur session of 1920 Congress he put the full independence resolution, Purna Swaraj ka prastav, which was not accepted by Congress. Then he said, if you are not talking about total independence, you are just talking about concessions in the Viceroy Executive Council. This is not freedom movement. Finally, Congress accepted in 1930, Lahore. That's why their entire freedom struggle, so-called freedom struggle, was only of the 17 years. And now coming to other aspect, I would like to say, the problem is here, he is saying that who was giving certificate. I would like to remind.
Sudhanshuji, allow me
on
to make
16th
my point
of May 2014,
you have raised a very
BJP and NDA got clear majority under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So on 18th of May 2014, the Sunday Guardian of London had written in his editorial that 16th of May 2014 should be considered as India's second Christmas destiny. Because it said that for the first time it is considered the day on which Britishers finally left India. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ. It is the Sunday Guardian of London is saying, and it was saying that those who were ruling previously, most of the time of since independence was having a carried over effect of the colonial British legacy. For the first time, the absolute majority has come in the hands of that thought, which was having no connection with the British colonial legacy. अरे पूरी बात सुन लो मेरे भाई उसके बाद बोलना. और मैं दर्शकों से कहना चाहता हूँ ब्रिटिश कॉलोनियल लीगेसी कैसी दिमाग में थी मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं बीच में डिस्टर्ब मत करिए वारिस पठान अपने टर्म का इंतजार करिए मुझे पता है अनकंफर्टेबल फैक्ट आने के साथ आपके पास चिल्लाने का आवाज कैसे दे जाता है जब अपना टर्न आए तो बोलिएगा एंड आई वांट टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर टू ऑल द व्यूअर्स that the legacy was so much embedded in Congress that before Vajpayee government the union budget uses to be presented at 5 p.m. in the evening. Why? Because it was a tradition from the British time. And why Britishers have choose 5 p.m.? Because at the time 11:30 was the time in London. And 50 years after independence, the so-called champions of freedom struggle and the self-pride of nationalism, they were having presenting the budget according to the time of London.
Why are we? This time, I would like to. just for a minute come in. Just for a minute come in. Waris. This time I'll talk about the allegation later. No. This time.
The weather is different.
This time
a very important allegation.
No, 1 minute. Volume up for me. Just chill for a minute. Waris, wait. This time the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign movement has a different importance.
Saying that we never respected
In my view, because this time some political parties we suspect. I suspect Abbas. I strongly suspect.
What?
I deeply suspect. मुझे शक है और भारत के लोगों को शक है और इस पर मैं चाहूंगा सुशील पंडित भी कुछ कहें. अब्बास और सुशील पंडित. We suspect that this time some political parties in India want to join hands with the American deep state and their Chinese friends. With the American deep state and their Chinese friends and the American deep state and the Chinese Communist Party with whom they have written agreements to create chaos in India. So this time, viewers, I want to tell you, viewers, when you take part in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, it is the slap in the face of Mir Jafar parties in India who have joined hands with the American deep state. इसलिए और भी करना चाहिए इस बार. Abbas, देखिए Abbas, can you tell me, is it not true that your ally Congress party says कि भारत तो राष्ट्र है ही नहीं, India is not a nation? नहीं, you just tell me that 1 minute, just tell me, is it not true, and the question being repeated twice for effect is it not true that your ally Congress says that India is not a nation, India is a negotiation? यानी कि ये कह रहे हैं भारत राष्ट्र नहीं है, भारत एक बातचीत है. ये देखिए कैसी लॉजिक है. सुशील पंडित इस पर ध्यान देके सुने. ये कहते हैं भारत तो देश ही नहीं है, राष्ट्र ही नहीं है, भारत एक चलती हुई बातचीत है. हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. तमिल के लोग बंगाल के लोगों से बातचीत कर रहे हैं, दिल्ली के लोग उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों से और हरियाणा के लोग कर्नाटक के लोगों से बातचीत कर रहे हैं. वी आर अ नेगोशिएशन, वी आर अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. ये बात कह रहे हैं, इसलिए इनको चिढ़ होती है. दैट्स व्हाई दे गेट इरिटेटेड. सुशील पंडित इज ऑन द डिबेट. अब्बास सी
Always the टुकड़े गैंग के साथ negotiation में.
यही कहते हैं बातचीत है, negotiation. क्या बात है भाई?
They think it's a negotiation.
Abbas,
India is a strong
because
sovereign nation.
they
Nobody
understand
can
the
deny
language
this
of
fact.
negotiation. You know, negotiation has an element of
a so-called
reward.
slogan.
In the
am I
end,
audible?
Negotiation
Somebody
means
else
some
wants to speak.
Sushil, let him complete, then I'll come to you. After him, I'll come to you.
Negotiation means political bribes. Negotiation means funds at the end of the dialogue. So they are more adept in the business of negotiations because they want to profit from each negotiation.
Another thing is,
it is part of their parlance.
Yeah,
they don't understand Tiranga. They don't understand patriotism, because if they did, they wouldn't sign clandestine agreements with China and keep them secret. They wouldn't do deals behind the back of entire country and sell us down cheap
and support Amritpal in parliament.
Diplomacy.
And support Amritpal in parliament.
Absolutely. They shed tears for traitors. They would have all their legal battling.
Say we are a union of states. We are not a nation.
At midnight.
He
for
says,
terrorists. For convicted terrorists waiting at the death row. This is their commitment, and this is where
Modi is working hard to get India a permanent seat at the UN Security Council, and Rahul Gandhi says we are not a nation. Abbas, your turn.
We are not a nation.
First of all, I want to make one fact clear here, because Alan Octavian Hume was never president or Adhyaksh of Congress Party. He was the founder of Congress Party. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of Congress Party. Arnab, I was initially happy to know.
He was founder and first president was Vyumesh Chand Banerjee. You have not heard my statement, I think.
No, you were calling in the Adhyaksh.
Be attentive in the debate.
Arnab, see, I was initially
No, I am not. I said Vyumesh Chand Banerjee was the first president, and he shifted to London. He remained in London until then and got converted to Christianity. So be attentive in the debate.
People who have never hoisted a national flag in their headquarters for 52 years. We have seen that MS Govalkar in his book Bunch of Thought has written that national flag is communal because it has got 3 colors. He does not see. We believe that 3 colors of our national flag represent sacrifice, prosperity and peace. But according to him, it was communal. People who said that it is Apshagun, it is evil, tricolor is evil. However, our national flag has got 4 colors. K.S. Ishwarappa, who has said that, we will change this national flag into Bhagwa flag in future. These are the people. These are the Bharatiya Janata Party people. This is their view. This is their opinion. Now, if we wanted to embrace the national flag, I initially felt happy. But that was not their intent. Their intent was to politicize this. Their intent was to talk about politics. Arnab, you have taken up issue of China and America. I urge, as a citizen of this country, see, for 1.4 billion people of the country, the national flag is our honor, our respect. See, we all embrace our flag. But, I urge to our government, I request the government to please not import polyester from China.
On the eve of Independence Day, an issue which should have been a bipartisan issue, you turn it into a political football. Come to think about it.
These are the same people who have said
celebration of independence.
I just want to tell you on one thing which these people said earlier. No. On this. No. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you. So close is the relationship between the Congress party and the British. And I want to come in on this. People don't like me when I say these things. Some people like me, the Congi trolls don't like me. But Congi trolls, you'll have to realize. He mentioned W.C. Banerjee. Now, I want to know, W.C. Banerjee was president of the Congress, good. But he left India, he went to UK. He contested as a Liberal Party candidate from the Baron seat or some seat. He became a British politician. He became a British politician. He became a citizen of UK, citizen of England, British politician. Khol do.
Okay.
Should I open up all the secrets?
Talking about 1885 here. Okay. Sitting in 2024.
I'm saying here we are tonight. 13th of August 2024. One more chance I give.
Arnab,
no, 1 minute. Waris, एक और chance आपको Pula Rao और Amerikai Narayanan को. You are on the debate right now with Sudhanshu Trivedi. I give you one more chance to openly come and support the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. I am giving one more chance, Sudhanshu. One more chance.
I support.
One more chance. Viewers, hashtag Har Ghar Tiranga. Support the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Amerikai Narayanan to Sudhanshu.
I support and salute our national flag every single day. And my house name, for your information, is India, with an India written in Tamil, with the national Indian nation written on it. And it was opened up by none other than Mr. G.K. Mupanar and Cho Ramasamy. So we don't need, this has been happening 20 years back. So we don't need any certification. We don't have to follow anybody. But I'm happy that those people who opposed independence, called Independence Day as a sad day, who did not hoist flag on Independence Day for several years, have joined. And I'm happy my Prime Minister now is holding the tricolor flag high. And I'll follow him. I know he's, after all, my Prime Minister too. I don't have a problem with that. But when he tries to politicize and as if he says he's the only guy who does it, and that's where we have the problem. We have been doing it. He is the Prime Minister, even though he's a minority government today. The minority party supported by other parties, and hence they are majority. He is still the Prime Minister of India, even though he leads a minority party in the parliament. But I will follow and I will carry national flag. I will hoist national flag, irrespective of he said that or not. I'm happy he joined those guys who opposed independence, both in Tamil Nadu. They called it a sad day. EVK Ramasamy Nayakar did say that, and in RSS did say that. They are the hatred politics, two sides of the hatred politics. Now they are hoisting the national flag. I welcome that.
I will seek a response from Sudhanshu Trivedi to this tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see it as discomfort or you can see it as a political attack. My question is, will you be part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign? 91% are saying that yes. They are not looking at this as a political issue. The position of the Indian Prime Minister, the Prime Minister of Bharat is not a political position. Is not a political position.
Allow me to rebut Sudhanshu Trivedi.
No. Now,
I have one question.
Okay, Sudhanshu versus all. Okay, Sudhanshu will respond after Pulla. Yeah, go on, Pulla.
If it is a national program, where is the Rashtrapati? I would like the Rashtrapati to have started this program. I don't see her. I don't see the Vice President. Where are they? Everybody would accept. It becomes a politicization. This question has arisen because of the way it has been initiated. Who is against the flag? Nobody is against the flag.
So by that logic, listen to me, Pulla, do you want the president to address the country from Red Fort also?
Why do you confine?
Do you want the president to? No, every time you bring in the president, why do you use the president's position? Why do you politicize the position of Rashtrapati? Why do you politicize the president's house? Why do you politicize the position of the commander-in-chief? What kind of an argument are you making out here?
It is a national flag. It's a national flag.
Ladies and gentlemen, which side are you on this debate? Sudhanshu is responding to all tonight, 1 versus 4. Sudhanshu.
You never allow me to question them. Take his answer.
A very appropriate, positive, conducive call for Har Ghar Tiranga to impart the sentiment of nationalism in everybody. And those who are trying to put an unnecessary, out of context statements about Tiranga. So I would like to quote. Now I urge that everybody should listen. अगर भारत के झंडे पर चरखा अंकित नहीं होगा, आप तो जानते हैं कि भारत के राष्ट्रीय झंडे की सबसे पहले परिकल्पना मैंने ही की थी और बिना चरखे के निशान के मैं इस झंडे की कल्पना नहीं करता हूं। वैसे पंडित नेहरू और अन्य लोगों ने मुझे बताया है कि राष्ट्रीय ध्वज में चक्र का चिन्ह चरखे का प्रतीक है, परंतु मुझे लोग कुछ इसे सुदर्शन चक्र बताते हैं, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं कि सुदर्शन चक्र किसका संकेत है, अतः मैं इस झंडे का अभिनंदन करने से इनकार करता हूं। Who said this? महात्मा गांधी on 6th of August 1947, संपूर्ण गांधी वाङ्मय खंड 89 पेज 11। क्यों भाई?
Fine.
Gandhi ji had opposed it? No, sir. At the time, everybody was giving his opinion. Don't try to quote out of context. I quoted Mahatma Gandhi. He's categorically said.
It's a controversial quote tonight.
At one point of time, he also said that one part should have a Union Jack. Again, I would like to say, अरे साहब, अभी नेवी में तो यूनियन जैक अभी तक था जब मोदी जी ने हटाया इंडियन नेवी के उसमें से, and Shivaji's seal is being brought. There was a carried over effect of colonial legacy which
Let
is
me
still
tell
there.
you,
Is still
Mr.
there.
Trivedi,
And
Mr.
he was saying
Trivedi,
that his
you are
house is
sitting in the
written
parliament
having
with
India
the
in
British
Telugu and
parliament.
Tamil. Why
You are
not
sitting in the
India?
British
India is not an
parliament in
Indian
India.
word. अरे कोई भी भारत का नाम रखते. This is an eternal nation which is coming from thousands of years. We are the only surviving nation of the ancient world. जिसके लिए हमारे यहाँ कहा गया उत्तरम यद समुद्र से दक्षिणम चाहे माद्रवी वर्षम यद भारत नाम भारतीय यस्य संतति. Its translation in English is, which is in the north of the ocean, south of the Himalaya, there is a great land which is called Bharatvarsh, and all the residents of here are called Bharatiya. It is written in Brahaspat Agam. I can quote dozens of examples. But unfortunately, those who are the carrier of the British colonial legacy, that it was not a nation, those who are having the impression that how the nation has to be broken apart
now,
on North South,
Trivedi,
on Tamil Hindi, on Marathi, on backward, on upper Kashmir, on minority and others, on tribals and others. Those who are the champions are the breaking India forces. Now they first time face a real resistance from the true nationalist force. This is
why do you call the opposition here then? Have the guts to listen to the rebuttal. Well, Arnav, 1 minute, sir, excuse me.
अरे भाई वारिस पठान सारे सवाल हमसे हैं भाई.
Very serious allegation.
आपसे बड़ी पार्टियां बैठी है, कांग्रेस है, एसपी.
अरे जवाब, अरे आपने
मेरे गठबंधन वालों का ध्यान रखो भाई.
सुनिए सुधांशु जी. अरे 10 सेकंड. सुधांशु जी, मेरा सवाल आप ही से. Sudhanshu Trivedi just now said that Waris Pathan and his likes, they never respected the tricolor prior to 2014. They don't say we love tricolor, हमारी आन तिरंगा है, शान तिरंगा है, and it is only after 2014 that Waris Pathan's likes have started
में कभी बोला हो मेरी जान तिरंगा है और शाहीन बाग जैसे किसी मूवमेंट पे तिरंगा वंदे मातरम बोला हो. Show that video. Then talk to me.
अरे 10 सेकंड.
I'm not saying कि 15 अगस्त को आप एमएलए थे तो आपने
10 सेकंड. आप या तो अपोलोजाइज करिए या माफी मांगिए इलेक्शन के सामने. मतलब 2014 के पहले हम तिरंगा का अपमान करते थे क्या? अरे हम तो जब से पैदा हुए तब से हमको सिखाया गया है तिरंगा का सम्मान. यह हमारे रग रोग में बसा हुआ है, हमारे रग रग में बसा हुआ है तिरंगा का सम्मान. लेकिन आप जवाब दो सुधांशु जी कि 52 साल तक आपने आरएसएस के हेडक्वार्टर पे क्यों नहीं लहराया तिरंगा, बताइए. वारिस पठान तो पैदा हुआ था तब से हम तिरंगे का सम्मान करते हैं. हर 15 अगस्त को तिरंगा फैला जाता है आन बान शान के साथ. हम हमारा राष्ट्र गान गाते हैं, जन गण मन के साथ सैल्यूट करते हैं. हर बार हमारी गाड़ियों में भी तिरंगा लगा रहता है, हर तरफ तिरंगा.
जनगण मन पे खड़े नहीं होते थे. वो वैसी ने कहा था, कहां लिखा हुआ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कि जनगण मन पे खड़े होना है.
पहले आप
आज आके भाषण दे रहे हैं.
देश के सामने
एग्जांपल देता
पूरे देश के सामने माफी मांगे कि आपने वारिस पठान पर इल्जाम लगाया. क्यों लगाया पता है? वारिस पठान मुसलमान है. वारिस पठान मुसलमान है, इसलिए आपने इतना बेहुदा इल्जाम लगाया उसके ऊपर, क्योंकि वारिस पठान मुसलमान है.
पूरी बात होने दी.
वारिस पठान मुसलमान है, इसलिए आपने इल्जाम लगाया. हम पक्के सच्चे भारत के मुसलमान हैं. हमको गर्व है कि आप भारत के मुसलमान हैं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, हमको गर्व है. लेकिन क्योंकि मैं मुसलमान हूं भारतीय, आपने मेरे ऊपर इल्जाम लगाया. आपको माफी मांगना चाहिए. या तो आप प्रूव करिए कि मैंने 2014 के पहले तिरंगे का अपमान किया, प्रूव करके दिखाइए. नहीं तो माफी मांगिए देश के सामने. और जवाब नंबर 3 बताइए कि आरएसएस ने अपने हेडक्वार्टर में तिरंगा क्यों नहीं फहराया और आरएसएस की भूमिका
15 अगस्त 1947
जवाब चाहिए.
लाल किले पे शहनाई किसने बजाई थी? बोलो, नाम बताओ. और फर्स्ट इंडिया का गैलेंट्री अवार्ड विनर इंडियन आर्मी का कौन था? नाम बताओ.
मेरे सवाल का जवाब दो.
मुसलमानों के सबसे बड़े चैंपियन, नाम बताओ.
आपकी आदत है आप बात.
हाँ, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूं. वो थे ब्रिगेडियर मोहम्मद उस्मान, और वो जिसने शहनाई बजाई वो थे इस्पात बिस्मिल्लाह खान. तुम्हारे जैसे सक्सेसिव चैंपियन यू हैव नेवर गॉन टू द हाउस ऑफ उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. ही गॉट भारत रत्न इन द वाजपेयी गवर्नमेंट. अच्छा मुसलमान नहीं अच्छा लगता है. कैन यू शो एमआईएम का कोई लेता गया हो डॉक्टर कलाम के नमाज़े जनाजा में?
हम लोग चैनल पे आने लगे.
बोलो भाई,
के बाद 15 अगस्त
वीर अब्दुल हमीद के घर पे गए हो, अशफाकुल्लाह खान के घर पे गए हो, डॉक्टर कलाम मेमोरियल पे कभी गए हो? अच्छा सच्चा मुसलमान आ गया ये बात करने के लिए. आपके जैसे लोगों ने मुसलमानों की स्थिति खराब की हुई है, जो बुरहान वानी के पास जाते हैं.
I am coming in right now, ladies and gentlemen. The focus is. You see, the flag is a symbol of our nation. The flag is a symbol of our nation. हमारे राष्ट्रवाद की एक प्रतीक है. एक मिनट.
There is no option left with
Sudhanshu,
except shouting.
Sudhanshu, 1 point.
Now
the flag, 1 minute, Sudhanshu. 1 minute, Sudhanshu, 1 minute. Sudhanshu ji, 1 minute. Sudhanshu ji, 1 minute. What is 1 minute? The flag is a symbol of our nation and a symbol of our nationalism. सवाल ये है कि क्या वारिस पठान और अब्बास हैदर कहेंगे इस प्रोग्राम में सुशील पंडित की हम राष्ट्रवादी हैं, वी आर नेशनलिस्ट? आज कहे हैं वी आर नेशनलिस्ट, हम राष्ट्रवादी हैं. पेट्रियोटिज्म अंग्रेजी मत बोलिए मेरे साथ. पेट्रियोटिज्म बोलिए, राष्ट्रवादी है. से वी आर नेशनलिस्ट कहना पड़ेगा. ये जय फिलिस्तीन बोलने वाले अपने आप को भारतीय राष्ट्रवादी नहीं कहेंगे. द पीपल हु से जय पैलेस्टाइन विल नॉट से वी आर इंडियन नेशनलिस्ट. जय पैलेस्टाइन कहते हैं आप लोग, जय फिलिस्तीन कहते हैं. पार्लियामेंट में आपने जय फिलिस्तीन कहा और इधर आप नहीं कह रहे कि आप राष्ट्रवादी है. सवाल मुझसे कर रहे हैं.
फिलिस्तीन के साथ
ऑन द डिबेट टुनाइट, Sudhanshu is on the debate.
वाजपेयी खड़े हैं.
1 versus 4 again.
चलिए बताइए मेरे को. इस मोदी
जय फिलिस्तीन बोलने वाले अपने आप को भारतीय राष्ट्रवादी कैसे कहने से हिचकते हैं, डरते हैं. लगती है वोट बैंक चली जाएगी।
ने भी सपोर्ट किया है, वाजपेयी ने भी सपोर्ट किया है, तो क्या वो भी
शाहीन बाग के नाम पर
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी सपोर्टेड द कॉज ऑफ फिलिस्तीन।
अरे आप लोगों ने कन्हैया कुमार को पॉलिटिक्स में लाया है, आपके दिग्विजय सिंह ने उमर खालिद की सपोर्ट की, आपके शशि थरूर ने अफजल गुरु के हैंगिंग पर दुख जताई, आपके नेता चिदंबरम ने सरजील इमाम का समर्थन किया, और आपके नेता राहुल गांधी कहते हैं भारत तो राष्ट्र है ही नहीं, बातचीत है। We are not a nation, we are a negotiation.
हमेशा किया है, संविधान के साथ खड़े,
और आपके नेता जय फिलिस्तीन कहते हैं हमारे
गरीबों के साथ खड़े हैं, दलितों के साथ खड़े हैं, मुसलमानों के साथ खड़े हैं।
पॉलिटिक्स मत करो भैया, एक्सपोज हो चुके हो,
बीजेपी खड़ी है,
एक्सपोज हो चुके हो।
बीजेपी खड़ी है,
Abbas is on the debate. Sudhanshu wants to make a comeback. Which side are you on, ladies and gentlemen? Will you be part of Har Ghar Tiranga? I say let's make it 100%.
संविधान लेके चलेंगे।
संविधान को don't use the constitution as a prop. Constitution आपके लिए prop नहीं है।
Successors of Raza.
Don't use it as a prop.
Just 30 seconds. On 22nd July 1947, our national flag was accepted. Now, what Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is quoting Mr. Gandhiji might have a contradictory opinion, but it was prior to when the national flag was accepted. I am quoting of the RSS Mukhpatra, RSS magazine organizer, which has said that, this tricolor, it is evil, it is abchakun, and it will never be accepted and owned by Hindus of India.
Yes.
It was after the national flag was being accepted in 1947. This is the and we can't need validation from such people. See, national flag is pride, it's honor for 1.4 billion people of this country. आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जो नारा दे दिया है प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, उस नारा के बाद क्या एक भी देशवासी झंडा ज्यादा फहराएगा? अरे हम सब हमेशा से अपने देश का झंडा फहराते रहे, जो लोग नहीं फहरा रहे थे हमें खुशी होती कि अगर वो अपने झंडे को एम्ब्रेस करते, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे हैव नॉट एम्ब्रेस्ड द फ्लैग ऑफ आवर नेशन, बट दे वांट इट एज अ for their political intent. That is the most unfortunate thing. चाइनीज पॉलिस्टर पे हमारे देश का झंडा नहीं बनना चाहिए, तो स्वदेशी कपड़े पे होना चाहिए हमारा।
तो अपना वीडियो दिखाओ ना, मेरी जान तिरंगा है, मेरी शान तिरंगा है, 2014 पहले वर्ड दिखाओ,
जान तिरंगा है मेरी शान
ड्रॉ करूंगा, दिखाओ ना किसी शाहीन बाग जैसे प्रोग्राम में झंडा दिखाते हुए। और असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने बोला है कि जनगण मन में खड़ा होने के लिए नहीं कहा गया। जय फिलिस्तीन बोलने वाले भारत माता की जय बोल के दिखाओ, नहीं बोलोगे। जय फिलिस्तीन होने के लिए चिल्ला रहे हैं। अब बात कितनी अच्छी बात है। ये जय फिलिस्तीन बोलने वाले, गणपति बप्पा मोरिया के लिए माफी मांगने वाले, भारत माता की जय जनगण मन पे खड़े ना होने वाले, तिरंगे को सलाम करने के लिए कहने वाले कि कहां लिखा हुआ है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, इनको छोड़िए ना। आई वांट टू रिस्पोंड टू मिस्टर अब्बास। आई कांग्रेचुलेट मिस्टर अब्बास दैट एट लीस्ट यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट Gandhi ji has opposed Tiranga. Now are talking after 1947 what we have done. Sir, I would like to first thing very technical. Before the judgment on Naveen Jindal, other than government of institutions were not allowed to hoist Tiranga other than 15th of August and 26th January. What illogical you are talking about? Only government institutions and government buildings were allowed to have Tiranga before 2007. Second thing, और हकीकत क्या थी? There was a time in this country from 1988 to 1998 that in Srinagar, Lal Chowk, even the governor was unable to hoist the tricolor even on 26th January and 15th of August when we were in opposition. हम लोगों ने 92 में 26 जनवरी 92 को तिरंगा यात्रा निकाली थी। उस समय हमारे अध्यक्ष थे डॉक्टर मुरली मनोहर जोशी, और आज के प्राइम मिनिस्टर युवा नेता के रूप में नरेंद्र मोदी जी उसके संयोजक थे। एंड ही हैज पुट हिज लाइफ इन डेंजर, और तब हमने जाके तिरंगा यात्रा की थी। फिर आपने यू अपोज द तिरंगा यात्रा। अनुराग ठाकुर बीजेवाईएम के प्रेसिडेंट थे, आपने हमारे सारे लीडर्स को अरेस्ट किया कश्मीर में तिरंगा फहराने के लिए। सुषमा स्वराज, अरुण जेटली एंड राजनाथ सिंह वाज डूइंग धरना। और सुनो मेरे भाई, कर्नाटक में आपने देन
Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shubha Bharti, was arrested and arrest warrant पर issued कि हुबली में एक मैदान में तिरंगा फहराया है क्योंकि वो ईदगाह है। ये तो मैंने बात उदाहरण दे दिया कि चुनाव मत मेरे भाई फैक्ट बोलो। औकात नहीं थी कि 10 साल तक तिरंगा फहरा सके आफ्टर आवर गवर्नमेंट केम and 26th of January 1999
you have sent 3 people to jail for forcibly।
और आप देखो जो कहते थे कि तिरंगे को कंधा देने वाला नहीं मिलेगा कश्मीर वैली में, उनके साथ आप खड़े हैं और तिरंगे की कतार देखिए 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी को दंगे के खिलाफ वो हमने करके दिखाया। So we are very categorical, clear and the people are very clear from time of pre-independence to present day. Who is
Sushil is also on the debate.
Bearer of the national flag?
Sushil is also on the debate. Sushil.
And who are the
Sushil, this time, you see what has happened is that because the third.
किसी का मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता हूं।
नहीं, एक मिनट सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, एक वाक्य मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि because the third Narendra Modi government has got slightly less seats, some people in the American intelligence agencies along with some Indian political parties are thinking कि जल्दी Bangladesh type का situation इधर कर दो। That's why the significance of this year's Har Ghar Tiranga is more, because people of India have to respond. They have to show that we are united. We are not going to allow you to break the country. So this time the significance, in my view, is different from last year and the year before.
It is not just the electoral outcome that saves a nation. It is the unity of its people and resolute resolve of its people to stay united and strengthen their country that saves us from these conspiracies, saves us from these enemies who want to bring us down. It is really unfortunate that this important moment in our national history, our Independence Day, is now used as a political football to score brownie points. It would have been so much nicer to see everyone uniting for a flag, for the nation. And instead, you are trying to rake muck and throw mud at each other, create a political controversy when none exists, only and only because you are a sore loser. When you lose elections, you want to chop your nose to spite your face.
Pulla.
Do you think this will endear you to the voters? Carrying a Tiranga during Bharat Jodo Yatra is all undone when you create such controversy.
And patriotism to every individual in the country. According to them, they are only the champions of nationalism. They are champions of patriotism.
And of all the people,
they are patriotic, and the rest of the country is not so.
Legatees of Qasim Rizvi will tell us what is patriotism.
And this is what Modi is trying to create in the mind of the people.
Followers of Majlis-e-Ittihad al-Muslimin will show us what is patriotism. Irony dies 1,000 deaths when Majlis-e-Ittihad al-Muslimin tells us what is patriotism.
But now you have to go Har Ghar Tiranga.
That is the irony.
You don't teach us patriotism and nationalism, sir. If I say Jain, you won't like it. If I say Sare
genocide in Hyderabad state,
you won't like it.
Try and tell us what is patriotism.
Viewers, I want 20 seconds at the end of this debate. I want to speak Waris Bhai and Sudhanshu.
To make such kind of baseless allegations.
Just one question to
Sudhanshu, 10 seconds.
Do you respect all the colors of tricolor? Waris, clearly give the answer. Do you respect all the colors of tricolor?
Do you respect or no? अरे तुमने तो ट्राई कलर को भी बांट दिया, हरा मुसलमान का, भगवा हमारा, बकरा मुसलमान का, गाय हमारा. तुमने देश को कलर और जिसमें
absurd illogical this person is talking. Everybody has read in the childhood in the classes that the green represents
तिरंगे को हम
the greenery of the fields. White represents the peace.
I wonder why Sudhanshu. No, Sudhanshu. Waris Pathan, when you were asked that question, you should have said, I support. I like all the colors of the tricolor. What problem do you have with saffron? Bhagwa se aapko problem kya hai?
Greenery of India. He has tried to set green.
You could have said yes. You didn't say yes. That reveals something.
Why should he question my nationalism?
He's not questioning. He's asking a question. You should have said yes.
Because I'm a Muslim.
No, you could have said yes. Don't play the victim card. Don't play the victim card, Waris Pathan. And let me tell you, viewers, day after tomorrow is the 78th Independence Day of the country.
Do I ask?
And American intelligence agencies will always try to break the country along with some political meat jaffers from within. I request the people of the country to give a fitting answer to these foreign powers. And remember, viewers, on the 26th of January, Republic Day 2021, was when these foreign powers supported some people who tried to bring down the tricolor at Red Fort. This 15th of August 2024, we come together to give all our enemies a united reply. #Har Ghar Tiranga. See you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.